guys, welcome back to my channel. It is Rashida. I'm back with another video. Today's video is going to be a little bit different from me. Over the past year, I have been working on my own business, and I kind of mentioned this in a couple of my videos, but never really talked too much about it. But I have opened and started a business, and the name of the business is called Culture Charms, and I'm going to be creating necklaces, bracelets, and some keychains that is going to be geared to women empowerment, female empowerment, black women empowerment. It's going to be kind of like Alex and Ani, but with a twist. I'm going to have a lot of positive quotes, spiritual quotes, and you're going to be able to wear them and buy them for your female family members and your sisters and your wives and your girlfriends and mom and auntie. I just really can't wait to show you the things that I have been working on. I do have a website, not really up yet, but I'm working on it. So in doing this business, I realized that I was going to need a machine to help me create the pieces that I need, that I want to make. And after having my eyes on this particular machine, I decided it was time for me to just go ahead and take the plunge and buy it. This Cricut Explore Air 2 retails at about $227. I purchased it from the Cricut website. Like I said, I did a lot of research, and I was looking at Michael's, I was looking at Walmart, anybody who was selling this machine. Walmart did have this on their website, and it did come with a bundle, but I was reading the reviews, and a lot of people were saying that they were not getting all the items that it said it came with, and I didn't want to have to go through that. And when I spend my money, I want to be able to get everything that I'm supposed to get in that box, or I'm going to be highly upset. So I was like, let me just go to the Cricut website, Cricut.com, and purchase it directly from them so that I can get everything that I'm paying for. So first thing out of the box is the Cricut mat. This is what we're going to be using to, well, not we, but me. I'm going to be using that to cut my pieces on. Of course, you're going to get your instruction booklet. Let's get started.